Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla, if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Mel Cosmetics Smoke Session Holiday Collection. And that rhymed, how about that? Okay, so I don't smoke weed, but it is legal here in California. And I just have to say that I feel like this collection took some balls. You know, it took a lot of balls from the brand just because so many people, I feel like, frown upon it, react bad to it. So I just applaud them for doing what they love. They love smoke weed, obviously. You know, this is like the second collection that's been like marijuana, Mary Jane inspired. So when I first saw it, I was like, ooh, green, cute. Like, that was my first impression, like, ooh, cute. You know, even though I don't smoke weed, okay. I mean, I have experimented, I've tried it, and it's not for me. Like, I can't function. It's not for me. I like wine. I'm more of a wine girl. Okay, so back to the collection. I really just like the colors, and then I wasn't planning on filming with this, and I swatched the shadows, posted on Insta stories, and I was like, well, no. The colors looked so pretty. It inspired me to film. And I think my last video was a green look, so it's kind of like back-to-back green looks. I think that's why I was like, I don't know if I'm filming with it, but it just looks so, the colors, I mean. All right, let's start with the Smoke Session palette. This bad boy comes with every shade of green. It kind of goes from gold to brown to deep green. It has like every color in the green spectrum possible. So 8 shades, and I'm assuming Sweet Tooth, Blue Dream, Gravity OG, Granddaddy, Black Widow. I'm assuming that's like types of weed, I don't know. Mean Green. That sounds like marijuana to me. I'm not sure though. But the palette has a name with the mirror, and the colors are just the payoff, the everything bomb. Bomb.com. Melt is also coming out with 4 liquid lipsticks, which I'm gonna try them all on. Might as well. I think you guys like that. So we're gonna try on the eyeshadows, we're gonna try on the lips, and we gonna start the smoke session. Okay. Have you guys seen Friday? And Smokey was like, remember that part where he was smoking? Well, that's like throughout the whole movie. But you know, when he's like, I'm in love with Mary Jane, he's like, blowing smoke out. Yeah. Smoke out! All right, so the palette doesn't come with a light transition color, so I'm just gonna use Culture eyeshadow from my Perception palette. This one right here. Just something really light for the crease to start everything off. Let's see here. Are my brushes clean? Like, what? Okay. So I always start with a really light color in the crease, something close to my skin tone. I feel like it just gives a more blended effect when you add darker shades on top of it. And just judging off of the swatches I did, this has a lot of pigment. Smoker! Ooh, I look kind of dewy. So before we go any further, and I've done this the past couple times that I've done my makeup, I'm gonna bake the entire time I do my shadow and even like smudge underneath. So yeah, let's do that. This is the Blondie Powder from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna bake while I do my shadow. Smoker! Can I borrow your car? I've seen Friday so many times. If you guys haven't seen it, you're missing out, okay? On a classic. And just rub off the sides here. You guys, are you gonna laugh at me the whole time? Let's jump right into this. So what we gonna do? Okay, so Sour Diesel and Space Queen, these two mattes are, I just want to use them both. Okay, maybe we'll just do both. We'll start with Sour Diesel, and then we'll put Space Queen on top of it in the crease. Okay, that's what we gonna do. All right, I'm gonna start with the Smith 230 brush. Sour Diesel, let's see what you made of. I'm just gonna start with a little bit, tap off the excess. First place it in the center of the crease and go back. Ooh, so I barely put anything on the brush, and it's, yes, there's pigment there. Yes, all right, let me dip back in. There have been times where I'll just put way too much on the brush, and then I'm like, and it's just like, whoa, whoa. So that's why I always start with like a little bit and then gradually add more. Dang, this color is dark, huh? It's like a really dark olive green. Can you imagine showing up to like Thanksgiving and you're like, oh, I just have to do my makeup real quick. All your cousins watching you with this. Or your auntie coming out like, oh, what is that? You're like, it's an eyeshadow palette, auntie. What'd you think it was? Ooh, this is blending so good. I haven't used Melt eyeshadow in a while. Like, you guys know the Rust Stack. Melt Rust Stack is like, boom, like up there, you know, in top palettes. But I haven't really used their shadow in a while, and I think I forgot how smooth they were, but this looks so nice. And I'm just building, gradually adding more. Boom, boom, pow. Puff, puff, pass. Yeah, should we bring it up a little bit? I'm in love with murder. All right. This is so nice. Okay, I feel like this range has been done before. Like, I've done this a few times. I feel like I don't film with this vibrant of a green. So we are gonna put this on the lid, and I'm gonna put Space Queen. Should we? Yeah, on the inside and outside of the lid, and Mean Green just on the center. So first, Space Queen in the crease a little bit. Let's see if this even does anything. Ooh, oh yeah. See it? It's kind of like the same darkness. It just has a lot more blue in it. All right, let's put Space Queen. Can you guys see how it has like a lot more blue in it? Like a bluish green. I have to tell you guys, I'm so excited to be filming. Like, having people in the house every day, not being able to film, hella appointments, adulting, just really like, I was like, I need to film, so this feels good. And it's with a palette that I just am loving so far, so all right, I'm gonna use the flat brush and put that same color on the inside of the lid. All right, oh yes. I'm not gonna do a cut crease because I don't think I need to. Like, I want it to be blended. I like it like this. I like it like that. Like, we don't have to do a cut crease every single time we do a halo eye. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Mean Green Smoking Machine. I mean, I don't know what that's what it means, but ooh, look at how pretty that is. This might be good for a Christmas party. By the way, this is a ColourPop E3 brush, which I use a lot for the lid, and it's like $5. You know, ColourPop, they don't mess around when it comes to good prices. Ooh, this is real cute. Right now, I'm just making sure it's like even when I look. What's up? This might be a little more. When I look in the mirror, I want to make sure that the color's even. This one seems like there's a little more right there. Ooh, green liner would be cute with this too. I'm like looking around, see if I have green liner around. No, I don't. Okay. I'm gonna use Shady liner from Dose of Colors. It's a black liner. We're not gonna wing it. I'm just gonna smudge the outer corner. So this is what you call a halo eye. Not a high eye, a halo eye. Or maybe it is a high eye, I don't know. Line the waterline. I'm also gonna line a little bit under the lash line here. All right, now using that same angled brush, or you can get a new one, but I don't like cleaning brushes. I don't like cleaning a lot of brushes, let me say that. So I'm just wiping off on my napkin, just wipe, wipe, wipe. And then dip into Space Queen and then kind of press under the lash line. This is kind of setting the gel liner. All right, and now I'm gonna get a pencil brush, which some people call bullet brush, some people call pencil brush. And I'm just gonna dip it into Space Queen, the last darkest color, and we are just gonna smudge it. This is really nice, like, really, really nice. All right, I'm gonna wipe off this bake. I did have a little bit of fallout with the green color, just a little bit, but I feel like because I baked, it kind of caught it. It's real cute. Let me add a little bit more highlight because I did highlight before I started filming. You can see it's there a little bit. Put a little bit of honey drip. Is it honey? Yeah, honey drip from Artist Couture. Just a little bit right here. Ooh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna set my makeup with the all-nighter spray from Urban Decay. Ooh, come to life then. You see that after I said it, kind of came to life a little bit. Oh crap. You know what I didn't do? Smudge the corner. Let me just smudge a little. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna smudge the corner, and never did. Always skipping steps. I feel like anytime there's a product that I'm putting on that I really like, it distracts me and I skip a step. Because it only happens on launches and I'm like, ooh, really excited about, you know? Yes. Oh yeah, we like it. We like it a lot. Okay, let's put on some mascara. I'm gonna do the Snap Mascara from Maybelline. Top and bottom. If you have brown eyes, green just really makes, like, look at that. It makes your eye color pop more. All right, I am gonna finish off the eyes with It's Lit lashes from Lilly Lash. It's lit. These lashes are winged at the end and kind of dramatic. It's actually my first time wearing them, but I like just how intense they are on the outside here. I mean, Look at that eyeshadow. I don't know why my hand is right here, but look at that, look at that. Ooh. All right, I am gonna try on all of the lip colors so you guys can see them. They are liquid lipstick, so my lips might get a little stained because there's red. There's a bunch of reds, well, just 2 reds. Okay, so the first color is Bellastone? Bellastone? I'm like, I don't know what these words mean. And I'm gonna line with Misfit from Kat Von D. Oh, it looks a little brighter on camera. Ooh, let's see if this dries. Wait, is this a liquid lipstick? Liquid set lipstick. All right, let's wait for it to dry. It doesn't feel like a wait, does that say set or stain? I promise I'm not high. Set. Okay. All right, so this is Bellastone. I'm still trying to figure out if I like the formula. That's why I'm kind of just like, are we sure? We don't know. We don't know. All right, I'm gonna line with Kat Von D Lemmy. It's a green liner. All right, this color is Taupe. How come I can't read any of these? Yeah, Taupe. T-O-K-E. Or talk, I don't know. St. Patrick's Day maybe? I actually feel like for St. Patty's Day, a green lip would be cute. For some reason, I like this one better. Maybe because it's just darker. The other one, the first one was a little bit more like sheer, I feel like. It's cute. I mean, it's like a lot of green, but it's cute. All right, I'm gonna line with Misfit from Kat Von D, and we are gonna apply Breathless. Ooh, this is bright. I think the green definitely makes it look a little bit more orangey. Or brighter, at least it does in my monitor. Actually, this one's kind of cute. I feel like these lip colors are like slightly more sheer than what I'm used to. I think that's what's throwing me off. But yeah, here it is. Breathless. All right, for the last color, I'm gonna line with the Ellery Lip Pencil from ColourPop. And the final color, Velvet Room. Ooh. This is like dark, just like your lips when you smoke weed. Doesn't smoking weed make your lips black or like dark? I feel like that's where they got the inspo for this one. She's vampy. Yes, she is. All right, guys, here is the finished look. I typically wouldn't do a dark green eye with a bold, vampy, dark lip, but for some reason, I feel like it's working. You know, like it's a lot, but it's working. Okay, let's talk about the eyeshadow palette and the lips and just smoke session. Okay, the palette is dope AF. Okay, the palette is booming. I love all of these colors. Like, I think this is a great palette to have because you have just a lot of bold shades that you can wear all the time. Like, I can wear this eye to a party. I can wear it all year round, and then these gold, and I just really am enjoying this palette so much. Okay, let's talk about the lips. So this is probably the only lip that I kind of like, but I guess there's no buts. The first 3 I was like, like I probably won't ever wear again, but this one I'm liking, and I think it's because it is deep. I feel like you can see like the corners of my lips a little bit. Like I need to really maybe layer more on, and I'm not used to that with the liquid lipstick. So the liquid lips are like a maybe. This one's cool, you know. The eyeshadow palette is bomb. Okay, it was worth it. Like, I can just like sit here and look at my eyes all day. I love them. I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching this Smokey tutorial. Get it? Smokey eyes, smoke session. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe to my channel, and last but not least, smoke and slay. No, strut and slay. Strut and slay. Brown or like a neutral transition. One more time. Smokey! Are we even here? What's happening? Are we even in the monitor? Am I high? That's how I'm acting right now, shoot. It really isn't a light trend. I don't smoke, I promise. What does Space Queen mean? Like, you smoke so much, put you in space? This palette reminds me of Friday, okay? Ooh, look at my teeth. Yeah. Smoker! That's what we gonna do. Let me find a smaller brush up in here. All right, so let's start with the smoker. Smoker!